The SideKing battery-powered backpack sprayer simplifies the task of covering your entire garden with its high-efficiency 4-gallon capacity and robust pressure range of 20 to 70 pounds per square inch. With a detachable 12-volt 2.5 ampere-hour lithium battery, this sprayer provides up to 4 hours of continuous use, ensuring you can cover large areas without interruption. Designed for convenience, the sprayer features an enlarged water inlet and a drain outlet for easy cleaning, making maintenance a breeze. The inclusion of 4 different nozzles and a telescopic wand allows for customizable spray patterns, catering to both fine misting and powerful jetting needs. Comfort is prioritized with a cushioned shoulder strap, reducing fatigue during prolonged use, and the versatile design makes it suitable for various tasks from watering to home cleaning. The SideKing backpack sprayer also comes with a 1-year warranty, adding reliability and peace of mind to its impressive list of features.